Hello, let us see an interesting features of memory representation. Suppose it is given a memory of dimension represent as 4 into 3 bits. So a particular memory 4 into 3 bits are given. So this memory can be drawn in this way also. So it says that it has 4 rows and one row contains 3 bits. So I can draw this memory in this way also. So there are 4 rows 0, 1, 2, 3 and each row contains 3 bits. So I can draw this figure in this way also. So this is a memory of 4 into 3 bits memory. Okay, so given this memory we can draw this diagram. Now suppose it is given that a memory of size or capacity 12 bits. So from this multiplication I can also say that the size of this particular memory is 12 bits, but this 4 cross 3 this representation is given. Now on the contrary, let assume that the size of the memory 12 bits that is given. Now from this 12 bit can I draw its equivalent memory? Now this 12 bit can be represented in many different ways. First one is that this can be represented into 1 into 12 bits. That is, I can say that there is one row which contains 12 bits, or I can say there exists two row which each contains 6 bit each. I can say 12 bit can be represented in these 3 rows each contain 4 bits also. Similarly, I can say this is a 4 cross 3 bits also represent the 12 bits. Next, 6 cross 2 bits also represent 12 bits memory. Next, 12 cross 1 bit, they also represent the same memory. So if I draw this figure will be something like that. There will be a single row and this row will contain 12 cells or 12 columns. Now consider this figure. This is given that 2 cross 6 bit. So there are 2 rows are there. So there are 2 rows and 6 columns are there. 1, so this is row 0 and row 1. This is column 0, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. So there are 2 rows and 6 column which is equivalent of 12 bit memory. Now 3 cross 4. So this is of this figure. This figure is can be represented in this way also. There are 3 rows, each row contains 4 bits. So this is also 12 bit memory. Now consider this one, 4 cross 3. So it will have 4 rows and each will contain 3 bits. So this memory uh, is also represented in this way. Now 6 cross 2 memory, this memory will also can be represented in this way also. There are 6 rows and each will contain 2 cells. So there are 6 rows, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there and each will contain 2 bits. So 2. Now 12 cross 1, this is 12 cross 1 bits. So this is 12 cross 1 bits. So this 12 cross 1 bits memory can be also shown in this way, that it will contain 12 rows and each row will contain 1 bit. So what we can say, that given us memory of size 12 bit, that particular memory can be represented in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways. So this size, if the capacity of the memory is given in this format, then its unique representation does not exist. That is, this 12 bits memory contains 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different interpretation. That is, if the size or the dimension of memory is given in this form, that is some rows into column forms, then it has an unique representation. This is unique representation, and we can say that this format can be represented only in this way, there is no other way. But if the size of the memory given in this format, or say that 12 bits of memory, then this memory has more than one representation, that is there exists no such unique representation. So I can say in this representation we have unique representation. But if we memory's capacity given in this way, then we can say non unique representation. So this is the interesting property of memory representation. Thank you.